Meet the Alloyman cordless half-inch brushless impact wrench, a compact powerhouse engineered to tackle your toughest jobs with ease. With a maximum torque of 750 Newton-meters, or 555 foot-pounds, this electric impact gun delivers unmatched performance for heavy-duty fastening, tire removal, and automotive repair. The brushless motor not only ensures longer life and higher efficiency, but also reduces heat and noise, giving you a smoother, more reliable experience every time. Included in the package are 6 impact sockets and 3 extension bars, providing versatility for a wide range of tasks, from tight spaces to stubborn bolts. Powering it all is a high-capacity 4.0 Ah lithium-ion battery, giving you longer run times on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the 1-hour fast charger gets you back to work fast. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned mechanic, the Alloyman impact wrench is built to deliver torque, precision, and total convenience cordlessly.